Yo, wagwan, you know? War a blood clot go on. Chip, plugged out, visualizer, let's go.
And also, yeah, help me, nigga. Help me. Do you know what I'm saying? Help me fucking, yeah, bro, help me, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? If you stay in communication with man, if you keep man dead, then that's helping, man. You know what I'm trying to say? If you pre something and then be like, yo, I don't know what I do know, that's helping, man. You get it? But obviously, it's so mad because it's like, yeah, to me, that's what I'm saying is bro, like, but you might be looking at man just like anything, cause obviously you've been in this thing for forever and whatever. You've done so much for everyone, innit? So you just might be looking at it like, oh, a colleague thing or whatever, innit? But the way I see you is different, innit? I'm trying to say you, Skep, Hollow, like all these men that help, man, on the way up from you, know what I'm trying to say? It's like, bro, on top of the fact that man grew up on you man's things, it's like, bro, how can I not respect it, bro? Yo, hey.
Hold on. Wait, that was ambush. That was ambush asking Chip for help. That was ambush in a voice note asking Chip for help. So, wait, before we go to before we do that, right, so we see, so Chip first song was called what? Charge Up, and now this is Plugged Out. Yes, Plugged Out. So we see the thing I go on there, so where the bees are go around and the bees are get burned and a drop. All right. Ambush. Bumbo Clan. Chip a voice note for MG. Receipts, man. Let's go.
I'm harmless then. I don't play righteous, I ain't got dreads. How you gonna act like it's me that breads? Can you hear yourself? Shit doesn't make sense. I don't really care about snakes in the grass. Music's mad, I've had snakes in my yard. You ain't shot more people than guns in your bars, and we know you ain't getting Broadwater farm. I can't correct.
And also, yeah, help me, nigga. Help me. Do you know what I'm saying? Help me fucking, yeah, bro, help me, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? If you stay in communication with man, if you keep man dead, then that's helping, man. You know what I'm trying to say? If you pre something and then be like, yo, I don't know what I do know, that's helping, man. You get it? But obviously, it's so mad because it's like, yeah, to me, that's what I'm saying is bro, like, but you might be looking at man just like anything, cause obviously you've been in this thing for forever and whatever. You've done so much for
Forward, Chip!
So you just might be looking at it like
Forward, Chip!
Or whatever, innit? But
Forward, Chip!
I'm trying to say,
fuck off!
Follow, like, all these men that help, man.
Chip ready!
On the way up from you, I'm trying to say,
ambush! Chip ready for ambush, yo! Binds! Alright!
I'm harmless then. I don't play righteous, I ain't got dreads. How you gonna act like it's me that breads? Can you hear yourself? Shit doesn't make sense.
Man say, alright then, I'm harmless then. Man say, I don't play righteous. Me not have dreads. Me not a Rasta. No, I'm not a Rastafari. So me not play right. Hey, youth!
I'm not respected, bro. Yo, hey.
I'm harmless then. I don't play righteous, I ain't got dreads. How you gonna act like it's me that breads? Can you hear yourself? Shit doesn't make sense.
No.
I don't really care about snakes in the grass. Music's mad, I've had snakes in my yard. You ain't shot.
Pussy clap. I don't care about snakes in the grass. Music's mad. I've had snakes in my yard. So I'm tell you, say, yo, people we used to chill with and drink with and have in my yard. Them people that turn out to be snakes. So guess what? Them things in the bad eye.
I'm harmless then. I don't play righteous, I ain't got dreads. How you gonna act like it's me that breads? Can you hear yourself? Shit doesn't make sense.
No.
I don't really care about snakes in the grass. Music's mad, I've had snakes in my yard. You ain't shot more people than guns in your bars, and we know you ain't getting Broadwater farm.
Man say you ain't shot more people that guns in your bars. Move your blood clot. Yo! Chip!
Snakes in my yard, you ain't shot more people than guns in your bars, and we know you ain't getting Broadwater farm. I can't correct every lie for his teeth, but everyone knows that I don't sell weed. But if you come mine, then there's pats on the floor, but I tramp on the chair, bet he wants one free. Fuck.
Man, I double down on the trampoline.
Guns in your bars, and we know you ain't getting Broadwater farm. I can't correct every lie for his teeth, but everyone knows that I don't sell weed. But if you come mine, then there's pats on the floor, but I tramp on the chair, bet he wants one free. Fuck boy, honestly, you got a nerve. Joke man, I should've charged you for the verse. See the MCs that I cook that you name, let them rest in peace, they ain't looking this work.
Man say, yo, you're a joke, boy. Man say, you're a joke, me should have charged you for the verse, bro. Man say, me should have charged you for the verse where you get from me, dog. No, you see it now? Chip goes up. Look at my fingers. Look at my fucking fingers. Too much bite marks. Always the one them when you feel a bite by your hand. That's what Chips say. My hands got too much bite marks, bro. All the blood clot to them. No pussy test. Ambush.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Yeah. Yeah.
man, I should have charged you for the verse. See the MCs that I cook that you name, let them rest in peace. They ain't looking this work.
Man, oi. Chip say you see the MC them where you name out when cook. Make them rest in peace, man. Don't bother bring them up again. Cause them no want no more of this. So just leave them alone. So even though Chip say him cook them then, him can cook them again if he want again. Oi!
Come on, then there's pats on the floor, but I tramp on the chair, bet he wants one free. Fuck boy, honestly, you got a nerve. Joke man, I should have charged you for the verse. See the MCs that I cook that you name, let them rest in peace. They ain't looking this work. Suckered boy, stop the glazing. I'll go get a verse from the people you're naming. Rewriting.
Man say yo, go on, go get a verse from the people where you bumbuckler name and you say, hey boy!
They ain't looking this work. Suckered boy, stop the glazing. I'll go get a verse from the people you're naming. Rewriting history. Everyone see me help you. That's why I can't hear what you're claiming.
Man say yo, I'm rewriting history. Everybody says to me, help you. Everybody says to me, help him. 16, I got melt him. Bumbuckler! So I'm saying can't take you serious. Cause remember say yo, help me. Help him.
Get a verse from the people you're naming. Rewriting history. Everyone see me help you. That's why I can't hear what you're claiming. Last few years you've been fighting blogs. Last few years you've been touching girls. Bars about what.
Last few years you've been fighting blogs. Last few years you've been touching girls.
Can't hear what you're claiming. Last few years you've been fighting blogs. Last few years you've been touching girls. Bars about what you done to Ray Black. Carry on till I get her on a tune as well.
Man say bars about what you do to Ray Black. Carry on. Blood clot. The man say carry on. I make it. Hey, him say if you carry on, him get her for the blood clot verse. Ray Black, don't get drawn into this. Ray, do not get drawn into this. Don't make them dry out in a Ray. You just keep it as it is. Ooh, Chip.
Why you doing, John Cross?
Wait.
Last few years you've been touching girls. Bars about what you done to Ray Black. Carry on till I get her on a tune as well. You flicked a titty, room read wrong, no diddy. Bro, your mental case. If that
you flicked her titty, room read wrong, no diddy. Man say you're mental case, brother. Man say you're mad. You're cuckoo, you're delulu, you don't have sense. The man say you fucking lose your sense them.
Till I get her on a tune as well. You flicked a titty, room read wrong, no diddy. Bro, your mental case. If that was my chick, we ain't leaving, bad boy. You at least getting mace in your face. Better.
Yo, you at least I get mace in your face if that was my chick. That's what Chip saying. Chip, I say, yo, you ain't leaving, bro. If that was my girl, bro, you're not leaving. You're not leave. At least mace in your paper spray and your blood clot. Pepper spray make you use milk, wash it out.
Bro, your mental case. If that was my chick, we ain't leaving, bad boy. You at least getting mace in your face. Better stay in your place. Playground bully, sorry, not today.
Playground bully, sorry, not today. Don't try bully me. No, not today. That not gonna work. Pussy. Somebody help him. That is what Chip is saying, not me.
Leaving, bad boy, you at least getting mace in your face. Better stay in your place. Playground bully, sorry, not today. 10 minutes to rebuttal this idiot. Give a fuck about Jumpy, delete it. You should have got Ice Kid on your remix. You couldn't get Ice Kid on your remix. And if you got Ice Kid on your remix now, what do you think that I'ma do next, boy? Stop with the tweak and leave.
Man say, yo, you can't get Ice Kid for your remix. And even if you did get Ice Kid for your remix, what you think me gonna do then? What you think me gonna do? Blood, hey boy.
And if you got Ice Kid on your remix now, what do you think that I'ma do next, boy? Stop with the tweak and leave it, you little speng. You ain't the best in Camden with a pen. Take your testosterone somewhere else, you batty boy. I don't need passion from men. Let me.
I wasn't taking testosterone somewhere else. Big word, man. Big word, testosterone. Take your testosterone somewhere else, you batty boy. Batty boy, BATTIMAN. Batty man. Man say you batty man. I Chip say that. I know me, but I know. Yeah, bush. I don't know.
Ain't the best in Camden with a pen. Take your testosterone somewhere else, you batty boy. I don't need passion from men. Let me tell you something about grime, you chief. For a set, MCs don't charge MCs. Crying cause you ain't got a home in grime. Joke man, hit one of your Airbnbs.
Man say you're crying because you're not home in a grime. Yeah, joke man. You turn on your own. You hate the man?
You nominated man to clash me. I rate them and they rate me, that's the facts. Stormzy chat. Bitch get off his dick, you're getting mad.
Yeah, man, so I had this Stormzy chat, but Stormzy come on my house and me stay inside and rare, blah, blah. Stormzy this, Stormzy. Man, say come off a Stormzy wood. Man, say come off a Stormzy body. You're going mad.
Them men, they rate me, that's the facts. Stormzy chat. Bitch get off his dick, you're getting mad. Mental health, but think you're in your bag. When life catches up with you, I'm gonna laugh. You think that it's thinking about a clash. P, yeah, that's my doggy, that is that. 10 just came from pure ace and wiring. Can't be we just smoking, what's it wired with? No, I'm not Dave or Central C. Art Sentinel tell you it's me who inspired them. Oh, what a
bumbo clot. Man said, no, I'm not Dave nor Central C, but Central tell you me who inspire him. Yeah, Central tell us say, me inspire him. So yeah, what you say?
Just smoking, what's it wired with? No, I'm not Dave or Central C Art Sentinel. Tell you it's me who inspired them. Oh, what a being. The biggest part of your story got me in. The biggest song in your life got me on. Just another one I wish I ain't be on.
Man say you're the biggest song of your career, the biggest song of your life. Got me on a verse. I wish. Listen, man, say, yo, just another one I wish I wasn't on it.
This part of your story got me in. The biggest song in your life got me on. Just another one I wish I ain't be on. Like, come on, man, a household, man, can bust off me. It's just not the same if man come for you. Fuck with me and now it's fuck for you. I don't fuck with you or who fucks with you. Lyrically, I'll give you licks. Idiot. Running joke, don't take the piss.
Lyrically, so we punch up your face. Lyrically, it never say physically, no, so lyrically, and we punch up your face. After all, it is a lyrical battle. It's not a physical battle. So guys, don't take it physical. No. But lyrically, you can't win. That's what Trips say. You cannot win.
I don't fuck with you or who fucks with you. Lyrically, I'll give you licks. Idiot. Running joke, don't take the piss. A stranger touch your daughter's tits, you know you give them more than fists.
Man, say if a stranger touch your daughter's tits, you know you'll give them more than fists. A gunshot, you'll give them, of course.
Love that half them spitters you named, you made clear in a test for me. This part, I got the recipe. Get cooked, now you look like the rest unique. Yeah, you got A's and got kicked out.
Man, say you get cooked, I look like the rest unique. The rest of them will get cooked, and that you look like right now. You're looking unique. That's what Chips say, ambush, I don't mean. Ambush, I don't mean.
Out of school, I got A's and got kicked out of school. You wanna know why I got kicked out of school? For banging tough guys in the face like you. They're trying to take man for a pick me. I'm a big 35, not a picnic. Imagine I help man bust them when they get stuck, their first options diss me. Can't go golden.
And say, oh, you gonna do that? Eh? Me boss you. I know me boss you. The first chance to get you, I got this me. Yeah, pussy. That's what Chips said, not me.
Picnic. Imagine I help man bust them when they get stuck, their first options diss me. Can't go golden, diss me. Can't go platinum, diss me. No debut album, diss me. This kid is talking about YouTube badness, doing crime film and it missed me. Golden boy, no, that's Tinchy. Who signed to you, that's a mad thing. Nigga, you in King's Cross panting. Oh my God. Why you always shouting? Calm down, you see tits and get jumpy, grab them.
Why you shouting? Calm down, you see tits and get jumpy and grab them. Hey!
Nigga, you in King's Cross panting. Oh my God. Why you always shouting? Calm down, you see tits and get jumpy, grab them. This the straight jacket anthem. This a straight jacket anthem. Fuck it, spray the raid on this nuisance, bugging, buzzing. I ain't wanna do this. T1s come your house, you wouldn't stay there. I get no joy from making you look stupid. M-chat, what's your living conditions? Rude boy, take a post in your kitchen. What the fuck was that, you fucking twat? Name dropping, clout chasing, stop listen. What the hell, he meant to be a gangster? Literally begging man for help. Realign your chakras, you a wankster. Buckle down and focus on yourself. Remove the E, the R, the E, still good to verse. I show man I'm the master of this. If I'm harmless, why you wanna strap off chip? Rhetorical, but you keep asking for it.
Oh, rhetorical, but you're still asking for it. You still ask for your stripe. You still ask for help. Help him. You still ask for some type of help. Comment section, type help him.
I show man I'm the master of this. If I'm harmless, why you wanna strap off chip? Rhetorical, but you keep asking for it. Them boy, that's a lot, beg and borrow. Can't test bitters from Haringey Borough. Tough guy want to do the tough guy thing. I got tough guys that will come and buck you tomorrow. Intro proves alone, you know.
I said tough guy want to do the tough guy thing. I got tough guys who will come buck you tomorrow. Him never say him I go buck you. One thing with Chip never portray to be a bad man. But Chip I say, yo, you want to be tough guy? Alright, me have some tough guy who can come buck you tomorrow.
Borrow. Tough guy want to do the tough guy thing. I got tough guys that will come and buck you tomorrow. Intro proves alone, you're not thorough. Push me, I kill it, MC, no sorrow.
Chip.
Ungrateful bastard in this Game of Thrones. You ain't no Jon Snow. The fuck?
The fuck? Chip. You know why we do that? Yeah, the man. Chip. What the blood clot I go on, dog. Hey, Chip. Man say it's one of your Airbnbs to blood clot. Yo. Yo, what can I say, bro? You don't want to fuck with Chip lyrically, bro. I don't care who you are. You don't want to fuck with Chip. You don't want to fuck with Chip, bro. Ambush. Is your time to answer, my friend? Pick up yourself. Chip, one question though. What one with the signature, bro? How come you not pulling up at Bossman petrol station forecourt, dog? That more antenna, brother. The forecourt more antenna, bro. So we can get mad in this blood clot and tear down everything in the dog. Petrol station, next one, please. Petrol station, alright? Big up yourself, fam. Big up your blood clot self. Ambush! The man just ambush your bumbo clot. Me gone.